Hi friends, welcome to Softcore. In the previous video we have covered so many attributes, but we have left with an attribute known as style attribute. In this video we will cover it. So without time wasting, let's go for it. So with the help of style attribute, you can change the property of the text. For example, you can change the color, font size, font family, and even the background color with the help of style attribute. So you should know the syntax of the style attribute. So follow as tag name and here style, just you press enter, you will get this one. Okay, in the inverted commas you have to write first the property and you should assign some value to the property. So here property is an inbuilt attribute to the style attribute. Okay, so value. Okay, you should assign an value to the property. So whatever the value is set here will be attached to the style, and that style will be displayed to the text. After that you should close it. Okay, and whatever the content you write, you should write between the tag name. Suppose I will clear the sentence. I will create a paragraph. Okay, I will write this is first session on style attribute. Okay, so if I open this in live server, you can see there is no change on the text on the display. So let's change the color of the text with the help of style attribute. So just after the tag write style, just press enter, and now whatever the property you want to set right here. Suppose in the style attribute you can set so many properties like the color property, the background color property, the font size property, and the font family property. So let's discuss one by one. So the first property will be color. So with the help of color, we can change the color of the text. Okay, suppose I will select this one. So now let's open this in live server. You can see the color of the text has been changed to the violet. Okay, now if I want to change the background color, I mean the background color of this text, it should be in orange color. So it can be done by using background color property. So just write background color and select this one, and I need orange. Just you can type or search for that. Okay, here you go. So let's open this in live server. You can see the text color is in violet while the background color of the paragraph is in orange. So isn't it so cool? Let's see the another property. Okay, let me once clear the sentence. Let's create new paragraphs. So here I will write style is equals to, suppose I want a font family. Okay, these are the so many properties you can set, but it becomes difficult to set each by each, because if you want to use a style tag you have to place them in a tag, right? So it becomes difficult to use all the elements for every paragraph. So for this situation we should learn the CSS. So now don't worry about the CSS, we will cover them in future videos. Okay, now I want to set font size. So you can set all these measurements. Suppose I can write directly in percentile. In the previous video we have seen the width and height attribute, where we can give the value of the attribute in numerical or in percentile values. Similarly here we can give the font size in percentile also. Suppose I can give 200%. Okay. Similarly, we can assign the color value to the text. Suppose I will write color and you can select any color. You can see the size is increased and the color has been changed from black to blue. Okay. You can see that in style attribute we can give multiple values or multiple properties at a time. Okay. You can set the color, text, font size or background color at a time to the text. Let's move to the next property, that is font family. Okay, here you can get different font families which are currently supported by the browsers. Suppose I want this one. Okay, here these are the four different font families. Suppose if the browser doesn't support this font family, then automatically the font family will be changed to Times New Roman. Even the browser doesn't support this one, it will go for the next one. Okay, so if the browser supports this one, then the remaining three are ignored. So let's open this in live server. You can see the font family of the text has been changed to Georgia. I hope you got the idea of style attribute. So at a glance, we can say that with the help of style attribute, we can set the properties of the text. Properties which we use in style attribute are the color property, the font size property, the font family property, and the font size property. So by now you should get an idea of using all the tags in the HTML, and with the help of style attribute you should get an idea to set the properties of the documents. Okay, in the upcoming videos we will see some code and will design something so that you can use all the tags which we discussed earlier. Okay, sure that start trying to build some new content using all the tags which we discussed till now, and make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to get notified with our content, and also join the Instagram to get updated with the real facts related to the coding. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.